Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a game changer for those of you struggling with heartburn and acid indigestion. We're diving deep into the Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Famotidine tablets, the best acid reducer on the market. If you're tired of that burning sensation and discomfort caused by heartburn, you're in the right place. These Famotidine tablets could be the solution you've been searching for. Now, let's get started by taking a closer look at what makes these tablets so special. The Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Famotidine tablets are designed to provide you with maximum relief from heartburn and acid indigestion. With 20 milligrams of famotidine as the active ingredient, it's comparable to the famous maximum strength Pepcid AC. So, why famotidine, you ask? Well, famotidine is an H2 blocker, which means it's an acid reducer. These tablets work to relieve heartburn, sour stomach, and acid indigestion, and they do it effectively. But here's the real game changer. You can take just one tablet 10 to 60 minutes ahead of time to prevent heartburn brought on by certain foods and beverages. Plus, if you're already experiencing heartburn, it'll provide quick relief. One of the best things about these tablets is that they offer up to 12 hours of relief. That means you can go about your day without the discomfort of heartburn constantly bothering you. And for those with dietary restrictions, these tablets are gluten-free. They're suitable for adults and children aged 12 and over. So you can have peace of mind knowing you're taking care of your heartburn issues. Now, let's talk about the packaging options. You can choose from different quantities, whether it's the 25, 50, 200, or even 400 count packs. So, there's a convenient option for everyone. And the best part? These tablets are a cost-effective alternative to prescription medications. In fact, many users have found these to be more affordable, even with insurance co-pays. Don't just take my word for it. Let's see what actual users are saying. As you can see, these famotidine tablets have received rave reviews from satisfied customers. They love the quality, the quick effect on heartburn, and the ease of use. So there you have it, folks. The Amazon Basic Care Maximum Strength Famotidine tablets, your go-to solution for heartburn and acid indigestion. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and effective acid reducer, look no further. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more product insights. And remember, when it comes to heartburn, relief is just one tablet away with Amazon Basic Care. Stay comfortable, stay happy.